First video of the truck. Alright, it's running right now. Check the hood. Just going to let it warm up a bit. I had the dash off trying to fix the tach and the voltmeter, because for whatever reason the voltmeter is pegged at 18. Don't know why. Everything's hooked up right. The tach, I don't know why it's not working. It worked before. So now the only things that need fixed is I gotta get the windows to work, because they're electric. I'm trying to find the one that goes to that. Good luck. So anyhow, the windows don't work and the blower motor doesn't work. That should be fairly easy to deal with. But other than that, everything else is working. It's easy to get in now with those steps. Power steering works. Everything's working now. Put a new steering wheel in it. Bigger steering wheel. But see, the freaking voltmeter goes clear to 18. Don't know why. I even tried swapping the wires around. It still just pegs to 18. I'm not sure what's going on. But everything works. Lights are all on. That heat shield's making noise. I put a heat shield on it, or a heat shield dust shield, and it's being stupid. But anyhow, this is the truck. Here's my other truck. Just put the dash back together. Cleaned up all the old wiring underneath, other than the radio shit, which eventually is going to come out, because I'm not going to have anything major in there, because radio delete. I'm going to put switches there. And then I'll clean everything up. But overall, I'm happy. Seems like it's cooling all right. We're only at about $1.60. That's about when the thermostat's going to open. We'll do another quick walk around. Look at that. Door shuts like a dream. That's the heat shield. That clinking. And a dust shield rather. To see where the leak is coming from. That's probably residual, the mess from the yeah, freaking dust shield. We'll let it burn off everything. So residual from the power up and down. Right off the bat. Alright, overall though I'm happy. See where it's at now heat wise. $1.60. So, alright, I think we're alright. Hold on. It burns a little bit rich. It's not bad, but alright, we're approaching $1.80 now. Why is this thing so out of focus? Hold on. Okay. It's holding fairly steady, but this is what bugs me, is that guy right there. I don't know why it's doing that. So, alright, so it's a 90-degree day. It's been running now for about 5-10 minutes. So, go ahead, shut her down. Tomorrow I'm going to test drive it. Alright, I'm out.